Hello everyone, it's Candy Cane 1096 here, and I am going to be doing a mail time because me and only one hero have been doing some gift wars, and I thought I'd see what gifts because I've been saving them for the mail time and I've been really anxious. Okay, the first thing is it says, do you have the diamond spike? I need the Fennec foxes. So let's see. I got a necklace. Okay. Next thing I got was a diamond anklet. I wonder what that's worth. I've never seen it before. The next thing I got was a lei, a star cape, a flag. I've not really seen these around very much. I think I may have one. A vine anklet. I have a spring sun hoodie. A candy cane crown. Pants. An epic Egyptian hat. Oh, look, the little snake on top. Next, I have a tie-dye shirt. That looks pretty cool. Spring bow and arrows. It's curly wig. Hat and curly wig. A lot of curly wigs here. Branch antlers. These are pretty cool. I've never had them before. Spring grass claws. Binoculars. A rare heart skull helmet. A rare hula skirt. I think I have one of these. A rare stegosaurus tail. I'm pretty sure that's a carnival item. That's just okay. Folded wings. Turquoise ring. And a custom spiked collar. That's all pretty cool, and a special thanks to only one hero for giving me all these presents. So, bye everyone.